Why should I use Séptifix? Hello. Stay with me in this video until the end, and I will reveal the benefits of this Séptifix product. If your septic tank is failing and has an unbearable stench, it's time for you to use Septic. Séptifix inserts are septic tank treatment inserts that are solid, environmentally safe and release oxygen. After flushing them down the toilet, they will easily solve all your septic tank problems. Once they arrive at your septic tank, they reduces and eliminates harmful odors, the smell, extremely fast in just 3 to 5 days. Breaks down and eliminates all organic sludge from septic tanks, including natural oils, greases and organic hydrocarbons. Destroys all the bad anaerobic bacteria like E. coli or salmonella and other harmful pathogens that are usually found in septic tanks and can cause a lot of health problems for your family. Prevents backups and clogs and all other problems associated with septic tank systems, including corrosion. Reduces, in many cases, eliminate the need to pump your septic tank. It all started in 2014. One of our founders, Richard V, owned a plumbing business with over 200 employees. He was doing business in 9 states, making huge profits helping septic tank owners with cleaning, pumping, installing, repairing and maintaining their septic tanks. But after seeing that many of his customers were spending over $10,000 to fix their septic system because of poor maintenance, he decided to do something and help his customers avoid problems with their septic system. Especially since Richard hated the stench that was created every time his customers had their septic tank pumped. So, in partnership with a prestigious university, he hired a team of 14 scientists who worked daily for over 3 years to develop the formula behind our SèPTIFIX tablets. If you can't stand the bad smell of your cesspool anymore, it's time to use SèPTIFIX.